Hey guys, this is Richard Withers, Chief Operating Officer of KAMKGG. We know our community lives in the digital world and values their privacy and online security. Therefore, we are thrilled to be working with Surfshark throughout 2022 to provide the KAMK family with affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use VPN and security services. You may be wondering how you can use a VPN to improve your online experience. Today, I will showcase a few of my favorite uses of Surfshark for gaming and streaming enthusiasts. Number 1. Access region-locked game titles. Unfortunately, not all game titles are available globally due to local content regulations. As an example, some games which are developed in regions such as Japan or Korea are not available on the North American or European game stores. But thankfully, there's an easy fix. You can use a VPN to change your IP location and provide access to these blocked titles. Number 2. Accessing international game store servers. On a similar note, it is common knowledge that games are sold at varying prices, depending on location. For example, it is often the case that the Russian counterparts of popular platforms such as Steam are able to sell the exact same titles for nearly half the original price. Using a VPN service, players are able to view these previously inaccessible offerings and receive incredible deals on the most popular titles in the market. Number 3. Change game servers. Have a friend from another country and want to play on the same server? Or perhaps looking to match with less or even more skilled players? VPN services can also be used to change your in-game region to anywhere in the world, including Europe, NA, or Asia. Number 4. Streaming services. Finally, while it might not be directly related to games, one of the most popular uses for a VPN is accessing different country profiles on your favorite streaming platforms such as Netflix, Hulu, and HBO. It may come as a surprise that while Netflix owns the rights to over 13,000 unique titles, only a small portion of those are available in each country. As an example, the American Netflix catalog has nearly double the amount of shows available compared to the Finnish version. We all know the feeling of jumping into a new game world for the first time. Continue exploring by securing your online adventures with our newest partner, Surfshark. Get 83% off plus your first 3 months free by visiting surfshark.deals/KAMK. That is surfshark.deals/KAMK. Thank you for watching.